Hi and welcome back. Tonight's recipe is for all of you out there that's got a sweet tooth, or any teeth really, because trust me, after this one you probably won't have any. No, all joking aside, we're going to make some delicious cookies, some chocolate chip cookies, and they are for people with a sweet tooth. So let's get cooking, shall we? Okay, so here we go with our ingredients. We need 100 grams of softened butter and 1 egg. We obviously need some chocolate chips. We need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 125 grams of golden caster sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour, and I think I've covered it all there. So let's get cooking. Firstly, we mix together the butter. Oh, look at that. And the sugar in my mixer. This together until it becomes pale and creamy. You can do this by hand with a spoon if you want to, if you're not lucky enough to have one of these, of course. Now we can crack in the egg. That's tasty. Now a pinch of salt. That's about a pinch, I think. And a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it's extract and not the other one. Essence, that's it. Don't use essence. Now we can spoon in the flour, just a bit at a time. Now in with our chocolate chips. There we go, that's it, that's the mixing finished. Now we move on to the next step. Now, we've got the biscuit mix in this bowl, and I'm going to take out what I think is enough for a biscuit. I'm going to roll these into little round balls. I'll show you with this one first. Give it a little roll together to make it into a ball shape, a bit like this. And then put it onto the baking sheet. This is a very old baking tray that I've got, and I've just put a sheet of baking paper on the top so that it doesn't stick. Just press these balls down a little bit. We carry on like this until I've covered all this up. Leave little gaps between each biscuit because these are going to expand in the oven. So right, let's carry on then. Wow, look at the size of those. They've grown a bit. Well, now the cooking's finished and we're down to the best part of the video. The taste test. Look, pretty good, eh? No crunch. It's definitely a cookie and not a biscuit. Really tasty. And I actually got a chocolate chip in my first mouthful. I'm a lucky guy.